welcome to my video. So today I'm showing how to work computer keypad in your mobile phone function in virtual keypad. So I will show you. First you require a data OTG cable and to support your smartphone. Then you sort this type of cable. Then after you can see I am screenshot your mobile phone. This button click, you see screenshot now, screenshot, and you can write search in Google YouTube YouTube, enter. You can see this searching is your net on virtual keypad playing YouTube. You can search YouTube smart JESH and enter. So now this is scrolling, this button scrolling, or another time here you can see click home button, right click, you see right click, so close is turned down by your clicking right, left, you see mobile phones, and you can screenshot in any video. Otherwise here click screenshot. So if you any message in your mobile phones mobile phone message, so now you typing your message and then you can use WhatsApp